Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am flipping the Doodle Attack by OliColors for the love of colouring. I've been flipping some of their other books recently. Those were given to me to flip. So these are about this one and the others I have bought. It's a fairly thickish book. It's your standard size colouring book, but very thick, but it'll keep you busy. So we'll get started. Make sure it's on video. So it looks like you get a page at the front. You get a bit of information, a bit about them, helpful tips, colour test page and a title page. Again, I have mentioned to OliColors about the black backdrops at the back of the box. Obviously, I don't know if they'll take it into consideration. They said they were going to. All single-sided images, and the line work looks to be okay. And they've got little people and different animals inside. If you do go on OliColors Amazon profile, there is pictures that's been coloured on there. I do apologise, my puppy's after my feet and licking me everywhere. So yeah, these are two images then. I don't know what animal this is, but you can see whales and dolphins, elephants, sea lions, cheetah, dolphin, lots of other different stuff. And then we've got I think it's a buffalo. Or is that a buffalo? I get mixed up, but you can see all different creatures in it as well. A camel. Another some sort of buffalo. Bull. We've got another bull. Farmyard bull, it looks. And then we've got deers with antlers. All sea creatures around it. Seashell and fish. A dog. You can see all different crocodiles and rhinoceros and then little people climbing up. Then we've got some sort of eagle bird. We've got dolphins. I think it's yeah, because it's got a beak, a little lizard and butterfly. Now these, I believe, are the echidnas. I think that's an echidna. Because they look so much like a hedgehog. Yeah, I think it's an echidna. And then we've got an elephant. And then some call them ferrets, and others call them something else. I forgot what they call them. Then we've got, I think it's a fox, I believe. And the big jellyfish. Jellyfish's tentacles are going around fox head. And we've got frogs. Giraffes. Oh, monkeys climbing up. A gorilla. Now we've got a hedgehog. All different animals inside it as well. Looks like a lion, turtle, tiger, rhinoceros, giraffe, shark at the bottom. And we've got a hippopotamus. Some sort of bird. Horse. Why does that look like the Jason Voorhees mask? Oh, and Batman. That looks like the mask. It is, I think, a minion. I think it's got some onto it there. Little devil ones here. Look at these. So cute. Then we've got hyena. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Koala. And then we've got, I think it's a lemur. Yeah, a lemur. Lion. Meerkats. A moose. I think it's a moose because it's an antler. Bison. Is it? No, a ram. I thought it were a bison, but it's got ram on. Ostrich, I think. Yeah. A polar bear. Oh, polar bear's earlock. A rabbit or a hare, I think. A raccoon. Even got jaws there, look. And we've got a rhino. A red panda, I think. Might be something else. I'm just guessing. Then we've got, I think it's a sloth. I have no idea what that one is. I think those are them sugar gliders. I think. Or is that the sugar glider? That's a little monkey or something, isn't it? Tiger. Turtle. It's like Little Mermaid's Kingdom. Some sort of eagle. Or is it a vulture? One or two. Oh. It's that one off Lion King. I forgot what they call it now. Pumbaa. I forgot what species it is. And then we've got, oh, I forgot what it's called now. Whale shark. And then a bison. I keep calling them all bison. Then we've got a mixture. We've got a leopard, a wolf, and an elephant. All these little cute things as well. Reminds me of Kirby a bit. Panda. Parrot. And then we've got a pig. Some pigs. Flying pigs. And then that's back at book. Leave your review. Blank pages, and then we've got this at the back. You've got a few pictures you can see at the back along with a finished completed page, so you get an idea of how to colour them. Really cool, I like that. I'd have gone black, I think, instead of green. You can go to OliColors.com and get more information. OliColors is on Instagram, Amazon. I don't know if they're on Facebook yet, but definitely get your hands on this copy if you haven't already. So that is Doodle Attack by OliColors for the love of colouring. If you enjoyed this, thumbs it up. If you didn't, thumbs it down. Click that notification bell just in case I upload any new content and you might be interested. If you won't mind subscribing, I'd really appreciate your support. As always, take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye!